What if reality hums, not metaphorically, not spiritually, but scientifically? String theory, the wild idea at the edge of physics, says everything you are, everything you touch, everything you know, is made not of particles but tiny vibrating strings of energy. Imagine zooming in on your hand, past the skin, the cells, the atoms, keep going, past electrons and quarks, until all that remains is movement, a ripple, a vibration. That's the string. Not a thing, but an action, a frequency. These strings don't come in different shapes, they come in different tunes, and those tunes determine everything. A low vibration might be a graviton, a different frequency, a photon. Another? Maybe the particle that makes up you. In other words, you're not made of stuff, you're made of song. And for this math to work, the universe needs more than the 4 dimensions we know. Not just forward and back, up and down, side to side, and time. String theory needs 10 or 11, maybe more. These extra dimensions aren't sci-fi, they're math. They're curled up in ways we can't detect. Tiny, intricate, folded like origami in the very fabric of reality. We move through them unknowingly. Every breath, every dream, every thought is tangled in them. And maybe those dimensions hold the answers to everything. They might explain gravity. They might unify Einstein's general relativity with quantum mechanics. They might even tell us why time flows in one direction, or why consciousness seems to exist at all. But here's where it gets slippery. String theory hasn't been proven. Not one single string has ever been detected. There's no experiment that shows them dancing. So why do some of the world's smartest minds still believe? Because the math works, and because in the gaps between what we know and what we can't explain, string theory whispers something almost poetic. It suggests that reality isn't made of blocks, it's made of vibrations, that the universe is not a machine, it's a symphony. Now, here's where the dream deepens. If we could access those extra dimensions, what would we see? Would time twist? Would we meet versions of ourselves in different vibrational states? Would we finally understand why things are the way they are? Or would we go mad, unable to process the hidden architecture of existence? Because that's the thing about string theory. It doesn't just stretch the imagination, it tunes it. It asks you to think beyond what's visible, to believe in music without a source, vibration without a string section, and matter as a frozen echo of deeper, unknowable movement. Maybe it's all true. Maybe the universe is a song, and we're just a small part of the melody. Not separate, not observers, but notes in the grandest scale ever composed. So the next time you feel disconnected, remember, every atom in your body is singing. You are harmony. You are resonance. You are the universe playing itself.